check out the man Chris Bob. Chris Bob, 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 Chris Bob.
Yeah. Right.
When she was just a girl, she expected the world, but it flew away from her reach. So she went away in a sea.
To receive, she got the power in her hand to shock you like you won't believe. Saw her in the Amazon, the voltage running through her skin.
Wow.